Om Sri Saram. Good morning, each and everyone. Saram to one and all. Today we have entered to one more very important the concept studied about Indian history. How to the environment influence on Indian history. Already in the last class we have discussed about geographical influence on Indian history. But today we have entered the one more new concept that is known as how to environment directly or indirectly influence on Indian history. So, the environmental story deals with some of the most important issues regarding the future of our planet. The history of nature parks around the globe. So, understand the impact of human on pollution and health. It opens our eyes for the society of resources and for their conservation into the future. So the influence of environment is the settlement of people in any region is very much dependent on environmental conditions. Environment is taken as the surrounding or conditions in which various species, for example, the man, animal, and plant exist and function. The environment mainly comprises of elements such as climate, landscape, rivers, species of plant and animal, totally the flora and fauna. Now, let us see how environment has influenced the life of people and their history since ancient past. The protection of environment in ancient period, like the sages and saints of India, lived in forest. In the history, people attitude towards plant, tree, sky, air, water, and animals was to keep a sympathetic attitude towards them. According to Hindu religion, instructed man to show reverence for presence of spirituality in nature. The flora and fauna, hills, mountain, river are worshipped as symbols of veneration. The cutting of tree, polluting air, water, and land were regarded as sins, and they were to be respected as associated with gods and goddesses. So, the geographical setting and prehistoric, a semi arid region, is advantageous to people for settlement purpose. One of the best example, the Sindh region having this type of climate in ancient period resulted in the flourishing Harappan civilization. It also helped the growth of urban settlement. Similarly, the rise of Pataliputra and the importance of Magadha in Bihar can also be explained in relaxed to its physical features and environment. And one more, the best example, Pataliputra. The Pataliputra, the capital is monumental rectangular capital with values and classical Greek design that were discovered in the place ruins of the ancient Mauryan Empire. Capital city of Pataliputra, modern Patna. So it was surrounded by the rivers namely Ganga, Son, and Gandak, which provided natural defense as well as internal communication. Moreover, the fertile Indo-Gangetic plain helped in the maintenance of a strong population base. The environmental conditions also determine the resource potential of region. The forested region can be rich sources of timber, whereas the coastal region yield the sea products. So this type of Pataliputra is famous for served as the capital of the Aryanka dynasty and Shishunaga of Magadha, and served as the capital of the Nanda Empire and capital of Mauryan Empire also. Mauryan Empire was vaster as compared to Gupta Empire. Mauryan rulers followed a centralized administration structure, whereas Gupta rulers followed a decentralized administrative structure. So, directly or indirectly, the environment affected on these dynasties. This is one more very important called Pataliputra. And later on, the Idli region with rocks containing the mineral ore can lead to the development of metallurgy. The extraction of metals and their use for tools and other purposes may add to the standard of living. For example, Magadha was located in proximity to the iron ore mine and sources of stone and timber in the region of Chota Nagpur Plateau. This strengthened the position of Magadha. The subsistence pattern is also influenced by the environmental conditions. The regions covered by the river plain have alluvial soil. The fertile soil helps in surplus production. The type of soil also determines the crop pattern. For example, black soil is good for growing cotton. The surplus production resulted in exchange activities which develop into trade on a large scale. So one more, after creations of new district of Patna does not contain any hilly region. It has an entirely alluvial and flat region. The Landen district is too fertile to be left for wild growth. The area under cultivation is studded with mango, orchids, and bamboo clumps, and the Patna, the remain of Mauryan Empire, Ashoka's palace, and the famed 80 pillar court at Kumrar in Patna is threatened by waterlogging. So, Archaeological Survey of India has returned to the Central Groundwater Board to send its team to suggest whether it would be safe to remove the protective sand cover. The iconic remains of Mauryan Emperor Ashoka's palace, the famed for 80 pillar court at Kumrar in eastern Patna, has been threatened by heavy waterlogging and faces oblivion. So, the Archaeological Survey of India, mandated with its upkeep, has now returned to the Central Groundwater Board to send its team to examine the situations and suggest whether it would be safe to remove the protective sand cover. And Pataliputra, an area gifted with navigable rivers, has well developed trade and communication networks. Our ancient literature, like the Jatakas and other texts, mention many riverine routes in ancient India. Similarly, the coastal route promote the long distance trade with different countries. The mountain passes are also very important in this context. For example, the Palghat Pass linked the east and west coast, and thus helped in the growth of Indo-Roman trade in ancient times. Thus, we find that the physical features and environment help us to unfold the historical procession of a region. The diversity of Indian subcontinent presents an uneven pattern of historical development. The areas which were rich became important while those with less resources lagged behind. It is important to observe that the settlement pattern and mode of life depended on the local resources utilization, which in turn is dependent on the technological development in that region. So, this type of the environment totally whenever influence on historically lot of advancement in our nation. So, it is known as how to environment impact on India, how to environment help to establishment of the different dynasties are founded of the different dynasties, and how to uncivilized man became known as completely civilized. So these are all dependent on the changes even pattern of the environment. So today class is over. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram.